In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a ChatGPT program that you can run yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to replit.com and you're going to sign up or log in. And what you're going to do is go create REPL. This whole program here is a code editor online. And you're going to go Node.js and click create REPL. Ours is called Honored Good Spreadsheet. No idea why it's called that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by first adding in our secrets. So come here and go new secret and open AI API key. We're going to paste it in. And we'll save it. Close that stuff. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom corner and find the OpenAI package. AI. And while that's installing, what I'm going to do is instead of individually typing out each line, I'm going to go to the OpenAI docs and grab a little bit of code, and then we can walk through it. Here's the code, and I'm going to paste it in. You'll see that this is still installing. So it's now been installed, OpenAI installed, and so we're going to close this as well. So here's our code. And so first we're going to add in the OpenAI key that we added into our secrets before. We're going to require the library. We're going to set up the configuration. And then we're going to add the OpenAI API. Then we're going to instantiate, which means create a new version or create a new copy of the configuration. And we're going to load in that API key that we added. This way the program knows that it's us and not somebody else. Then we're going to create a function called GPT-4, and that function is going to run one of the OpenAI models that ChatGPT has created. So this is all we really need to care about at the start. Is we're going to say act as a poem creator. We're going to say write me a poem about traveling. One L or two L's. Traveling to Greece. 5 lines long. And all we have to do is you'll see that we're going to pass in that system content act as a poem creator. We're going to ask it the user content to tell me write a poem about traveling to Greece, make it 5 lines long, and then we're going to output it with this thing called console log, which is going to paste it or return it here. So we're going to go run, and within a few seconds, we're going to have a poem running against our OpenAI ChatGPT API. And it says, in azure seas of Grecian land I sail, past ancient stones where stories will still prevail. Olive groves and cobbled streets I roam, where gods once dwelt, I find my heart's true home. In Greece's warm embrace, my soul unveils. So here's our poem. And that's how you create your very first ChatGPT program.